Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So it's Monday morning, I'm starting back at uni this week because I had my reading week off. If you haven't checked out those vlogs, go have a look. I spend lots of time with my family, do a bit of work, and I went to London to see my boyfriend, so we got to lots of different fun things. We went to a museum, went to really cute cafes and places to eat, so definitely go check those out if you're interested. But yeah, I'm back at uni. Today should be very productive. I have two lectures and a seminar today, and my Mondays usually are really busy, but I only have 3 hours today, so it's not too bad. It is currently like 9:15. I'm just about to have some breakfast and then I'm gonna head to uni. I've got lecture, seminar, gap lecture, so yeah. Megan and Hattie are at a zoo or some sort of monkey place today because they're analysing like monkey behaviour for one of their modules, so they were out super early this morning and they left about 7:15, so yeah, they're all out and I will see them a little bit later, so I'm gonna have most of the day on my own, and hopefully I'll get some stuff done at the library, so yeah. Right, so I am now back from uni. My day went quite quickly. My hair is an absolute state. I need to jump in the shower in a second. That'll be the next thing I'm definitely doing. So I had a lecture and seminar this morning. Then I went to the library. As you'll have seen, me and Neve did a bit of work in the library. I was sorting out my PowerPoint presentation for a oral presentation that I have to do next week, which I am literally dreading. It has to be done. We have to do like a presentation, like a speaking presentation to everyone in our group. So there's about like 30 people we're doing it to, probably like 25, 30 people, and then obviously the lecturer, and the lecturer's going to be asking questions, so I'm a little bit nervous about that, but it's fine. Like, I just need to make sure I'm confident in what I'm saying, and hopefully I will get a good grade because it is 50% of our module, so it's going down to quite a lot, so I'm very nervous, but should be okay. And yeah, also in the library, this is so cute, they are, I think the Women's Society doing like a little thing. We got to put tokens inside a tube that we thought feminism related to, and there were some like ones that I completely didn't agree with, and then I put my 2 tokens in feminism equals equality. So I've got this cute little sticker that they gave me, and I also got a little wristband that says Women's History Month 2019 and I support women. Woo! Absolutely love that. So I love when our uni does cute things like that. It really makes me happy to be here. So now I'm just about to hop in the shower and get on with the day. I'm actually going to be a girl's interviewing me for her either dissertation or some sort of project she's doing. So I need to make myself look a little bit presentable because I don't know if she's recording the Skype interview or what she's doing. So yeah, I'm just going to grab something to eat quickly, head into the shower, get myself sorted, and then have a productive afternoon. Right, so I'm all ready. I'm just about to Skype Jane. So I'm going to pop you on the side. I might pop a few clips from me talking into this vlog, but who knows, right? I'd say there are so many things that I actually want to do. Like, I do want to do stuff to do with my forensics that I do at uni. Like, I specifically want to go into crime scene investigation at one point, and I also want to do stuff to do with bones, like forensic anthropology. But I also do want to do something to do with YouTube or like social media. I don't think I'm going to get as far to have like a full-time career on YouTube. Like, I'm not expecting that, but I'd like to do something with social media, like even if it's just for a year, like just to have that experience and just to have a bit of fun with it, because I find it really interesting and stuff, yeah. Right, so I think like my biggest inspiration since I started, because I had a blog before I started my YouTube because I loved writing and stuff, was In the Fro. Her name's Victoria. I don't know if you know her. I've bought her book. Like, I'm just really inspired by her because she went to, I think, University of Manchester or something up north, and she ended up doing a PhD in fashion and stuff. So like, she just inspires me because she's got like a really like hard, strong work ethic, and that's something that I like always want to have. Like, I always want to be like motivated to do things and like pushing myself. So to see her facing challenges and working her way up in the industry. It's just great, and especially because she's so like genuine. I think it's the fact that she's so genuine with it as well makes me drawn to her, and like that's why she's probably my biggest inspiration on like YouTube and blogging and Instagram and stuff. Right, so I finished filming for Jane's interview. It was actually really lovely getting to know her and just having a bit of a chat about YouTube and women in the online industry. I really enjoyed chatting to her about it and helping her as much as I could. I just really enjoy doing those sort of things. I did a few of them last year for people's like dissertations and things when I was in first year. I had my friend Danny come over to Lincoln because she was like filming me rather than filming through Skype or FaceTime or whatever. So yeah, it was just really lovely to get to know her and answer all those questions. I love talking about that stuff because I just really enjoy being online and empowering other people and stuff. So yeah, that was really fun. And now I'm just setting up to film a haul. This is the situation that happens when I'm filming a haul. Like there's literally clothes everywhere. All of the clothes that I've bought earlier on this year, I haven't been able to buy clothes for ages, which is obviously not something like, oh my god, I haven't been able to buy a coat in 8 weeks. I'm not being like that. I just buying clothes is one of my like favorite things to do, and I absolutely love fashion and stuff, but I haven't been able to like buy anything recently because I've been saving for other bits and bobs and having to pay out for like my rent for the house, which has been ridiculous. And yeah, so it's all the clothes that I've bought in January and early Feb just to clear it up before anyone comes for me. I don't have the money to spend on clothes at the minute, but I've literally been putting off this haul for ages. So I'm going to film that now, and also an intro to another video that I'm filming with Megan. We're filming our whole gym journey, which I think I spoke about yesterday, maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy that. That video will be coming on Saturday. I also uploaded a chatty get ready with me, so make sure you go and check that out because I really enjoyed sitting down and doing that on my main channel. I don't know if everyone on here has seen that yet, so if you haven't, go check it out. Make sure to leave me a like because it lets me know that you enjoy that content, and I'll produce more of it if I can and when I can, as soon as possible. But at the minute it's a bit hectic with deadlines, assignments. Yeah, let me know what you want to see and I'll try and get it up as soon as possible. Lots of uni videos coming up that I'm planning on doing. It's just as soon as I can do it, I will get it up because I love YouTube. It's one of my biggest priorities as well as my degree. So yeah, I love it. Let me know what you want to see and I will try my best.
Again.
What? What are you doing?
I need a wee again.
Oh. Me and Meg are now back from the gym. We've been downstairs for a while, had a bowl of wee toast. And here we are. I really need to sort my suitcase out. I was meant to do that earlier, but I did like a little interview earlier.
Oh really?
Yeah, through Skype.
Oh.
Yeah, it was about women in the online industry. It was quite interesting. But yeah, I need to get on with some more work tomorrow. I've got 12 till 4. So. Yay.
It's not yay.
Good night, little
I just feel like
victim.
because I was talking to you while I was weeing, I didn't actually get it all out.
Oh.
Like as soon as I sat down to do my skincare, I was like, oh.
Right, I need to remove the rest of my makeup and get into bed. But I will see you tomorrow for another busy day. Hopefully it'll be as productive as today, fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm really happy with all the work that I got done today and all the bits and pieces that have got done. I just need to get on with my assignments now and get cracking so that I can like tick them off. So yeah, thank you very much for watching so far and I will see you in the morning. Good morning, it is Tuesday and it's super rainy outside, so I'm not looking forward to going out in that. I was supposed to wake up a bit earlier today so I could actually do some work and finish filming one of my videos. However, I'm not gonna lie, I had a dream about Nick Jonas and I just kept falling back to sleep because I wanted it to carry on, so I actually hate myself, but yeah, that's what happened. I was supposed to be working this morning, but I fell in love again with Nick Jonas, so that's an issue. Yeah, anyway, I'm heading now to uni. I have a 12 till 1 lecture and then a 1 till 4 lab, so I'll catch up with you when I get back. lectures and lab are over now, and they actually went quite well. I'm just waiting in the psychology building, the Sarah Swift building for Hattie, because I'm just about to do her psychology study for her. Yeah, I'm sort of lost because I never really come in this building, so I'm just gonna hope that she finds me. They were also giving out free fruit in the library, so I thought I would take an apple. I'm now back home. Me and Hat just popped into town. I got a outfit for an event that I've got coming up early next month. I'm going with Amy, and basically our management got us into like an event next month with Primark, and it's super exciting. It's actually in Birmingham, so I'm looking forward to that, and obviously I'll be vlogging it. I just thought I'd get an outfit out of the way now before I get even more skin. So yeah, that's what we end up doing, and then now I'm just about to go downstairs and finish off my presentation that I've got due in next week. So we actually have to give an oral presentation. I've spoke about it before, but I volunteered to sort out the whole like PowerPoint and like the actual presentation bit that will be behind us whilst we're like speaking. So I'm gonna go sort that out downstairs now, and fingers crossed I can actually finish it.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Me and Meg have just come back from our daily gym workout. It's 5 to 10, so I've come back a little bit earlier than yesterday. And now I'm just going to have a bowl of cereal because I feel quite faint, to be honest.
Yeah, I thought.
And then I'm going to hop in the shower. I think you are as well, aren't you? Not that that's exciting to know, but we're going to get in the shower
Together.
And then I need to tan. I need to thick tan. Oh, we can watch the Sophia and Chintzia vlog. That sounds perfect. Right, so I've just applied my tan. It looks so dark on here, it's ridiculous. And I've also popped on some nails in preparation for tomorrow because me and Carrie are having a blogger day. Honestly, I can't get over how dark I look. It doesn't look like me, and also this lighting is just making it look worse. I've done my nails. I know they're super long, so I'm just going to go downstairs to Megan and get one of her nail files and really shorten them. I just really like this colour, so I got them, but they are just very long, so and not practical at all, so I'm just going to go file them down. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. I'm really sorry about my appearance. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye.